welcome back. So in this video we are going to see current affairs of June 1st to 6th 2021, and I have marked 10 important events on each day. Let's see. Before entering into video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon for future updates. First, which state's cabinet has appointed ministers to act as guardians of different districts? And the answer is Assam. Second one, how many surprise TP drones will the Indian Army get on lease from Israel? And the answer is 4. Question number 3. In which country 6 sacrificial pits have been discovered in the city of Saxingyu? And the answer is China. And the fourth question is which state's High Court has quashed a 80% scholarship to Muslims in the state as unconstitutional? And the answer is Kerala High Court. And the fifth question is, how many countries have the United Nations awarded the Dag Hammarskjöld Medal to soldiers? Answer is 44 countries. Question number 6. Defense Secretary of India who has launched a mobile training app version 2.0 for NCC cadet? Answer is Ajay Kumar. Question number 7. To which state has the central government allocated rupees 5,117 crore under the Jal Jeevan mission? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 8. Which ministry has issued an advisory to increase awareness about national helpline numbers? And the answer is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. And the ninth question is, who has inaugurated the second floating jetty in Old Goa? The answer is Mansukh Mandavia. Question number 10. What day is celebrated on 31st May worldwide? And the answer is International Gaddaria Day and World Tobacco Prohibition Day. Then June to current affairs. Which ship has been included in the Indian Coast Guard? Vigilant. And the second question is, which Supreme has been started by Uttar Pradesh government to take care of children orphaned due to COVID-19? And the answer is Child Service Scheme. Next question, which bank has launched a merchant stake for the retail traders of the country? Answer is ICICI Bank. The next question is, which state government has launched the UDNA scheme on the International Menstrual Hygiene Day? Answer is Punjab government. The next question is, RBI has imposed a tax penalty of rupees 10 crore on the bank for lack of regulatory compliance. And the answer is HDFC Bank. Question number 6. Scientists have developed an efficient artificial synaptic network that mimic which part of a human? Answer is brain. Seventh question. Which IIT institute has developed India's first indigenous temperature recording device, AMTTAG? And the answer is IIT Roper. Question number 8. Which state government has appointed Chief Secretary Alappan Bandyopati as the principal advisor of retirees? Answer, Government of Bengal. And next, ninth question. Which day is celebrated all over the world on June? Answer, World Milk Day and World Parents Day. 10th question. Which country's government has approved 3 children to abolish the 2-child policy? China. And current affairs of June 3. First question. Who will bring Tino-urea to market in June 2021? Answer is Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative. Second question. After the coronavirus, in which country has the first case of bird flu H10N3 been reported? Answer is China. Question number 3. Which New Zealand player has been honoured with the Kiki Cricketer of the Year award? Answer is Kyle Jameson. Question number 4. RDSO under which department has been declared as the first SDO institute of BIS? Answer is Consumer Affairs Department. Question number 5. Name the Vice Admiral who has taken over as the Chief of Materials from AVSM VSM. Answer is Sandeep Naithani. Question number 6. In which month the Indian Railways has set the record for the highest ever freight movement of 114.8 mt? Answer is May. Question number 7. Which government has announced a 10% reservation for Maratha community in EWS? Answer is Maharashtra government. And the question number 8. In how much time did Tsang In Hang set the record for the fastest summit of the world's highest peak, Mount Everest? Answer is 25 hours 50 minutes. Question number 9. Which day is celebrated in India on 2nd June? Answer Telangana Foundation Day. Question number 10. The world's first nano urea liquid has been launched for farmers across the world by whom? The answer is IFFCO. And fourth current affairs. Question number 1. Which company has become the first organization in India to join the One Nation One Standard scheme? Answer is RDSO. Question number 2. Who has been given the additional charge of chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT? Answer Jagannath Vidyadhar Mahopatra. Question number 3. A new species of crickets discovered in which state has been named Indimimus jayanti? Answer Chhattisgarh. Question number 4. According to the data released by NSO, India's economy has declined by what percent during the financial year 2020 to 21? Answer is 7.3%. Question number 5. Which Vice Admiral has taken over as the Deputy Chief of Staff of the Navy? Answer is Ramneet Singh. Question number 6. Which company's CEO and Managing Director TV Narendran has been appointed as the new chairman by the Confederation of Indian Industry? Answer is Tata Steel. Question number 7. Which Indian Coast Guard's indigenous ship has been inducted by the National Security Advisor of India? Answer is Alert. Question number 8. Which day is celebrated all over the world on 3rd May? Answer is International Journalism Independence Day and World Bicycle Day. Question number 9. IIC has announced how many teams will play in the 50 over World Cup? Answer is 14 teams. Question number 10. Which country has approved 200M USD currency exchange facility with Sri Lanka to boost its economy? Answer is Bangladesh. Then 5th June current affairs. Question number 1. The Union Cabinet has approved the MOC between which country for sustainable urban development? Answer Japan. Question number 2. Ashmatullah Shahidi has been appointed as the new ODI and Test captain of which cricket team? Answer Afghanistan. Question number 3. Which day is celebrated around the world on 4th May? Answer International Firefighters Day. Question number 4. The largest warship of the Iranian Navy Kark has sunk in which bay after it caught fire? Answer Gulf of Oman. Question number 5. Which program has been started by Narendra Singh Tomar to promote the protection of oil seeds and pulses? Answer Minikate. Question number 6. Which retired Supreme Court Justice has been appointed as the chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? Answer Arun Kumar Mishra. Question number 7. Which state government has launched a scheme named Ankur? Answer Government of Madhya Pradesh. Question number 8. The central government has tied up with Biological E, a corona vaccine manufacturer based in which city, to buy 3 crore doses? Answer Hyderabad. Question number 9. Lieutenant Gen Pratap Chandran Nair has been appointed as the Director General of which of India's oldest paramilitary forces? Answer Assam Rifles. Question number 10. Which edition of the Sustainable Development Goals Index has been released by the government diktat Niti Aayog? And the answer is 3rd. June 6th current affairs. Question number 1. What is the name of the artificial sun test conducted by China? Answer is East. Question number 2. Which Indian teacher has been appointed as World Bank Education Advisor? Answer Ranjit Singh Deasly. Question number 3. The Union Cabinet has approved the MOU between India and which country for cooperation in the field of sustainable urban development? Answer Maldives. Question number 4. Which day is celebrated all over the world on 5th June? Answer World Environment Day. Question number 5. Which ministry has tied up with Mahindra Telephonics for 11th Airport Surveillance Radars? Answer Ministry of Defense. Question number 6. Who has approved the Model Tenancy Act proposal? Answer Central Cabinet. Question number 7. Which state has announced a 33% reservation for girls in engineering and medical colleges? Answer Bihar. Question number 8. India has signed a loan agreement of how many $1 million with the World Bank for the National Nutrition Mission? Answer $200 million. Question number 9. The central government has shortlisted 2 companies for the project to build how many high-tech submarines? Answer is 6 high-tech submarine. Question number 10. The central government has increased the validity of TET certificate from 7 years to how much? Answer throughout the ages. So we are at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon for future updates. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.